What's up, people? Anybody remember these? Those 50-cent bags of chips in school when you used to slide your arm inside the vending machine, hit the lever, drop a bag. With your left hand or right hand, you charge someone 25 cents for the bag. Yeah, theft, but it was innocent. But, yeah. Yeah! So what's going on, hog knobbers and boob tuber heads? As you've seen, we have a special product to review today that I used to love. So, y'all, I used to love these things. Eat them in school, crush them up with my meatloaf and my hamburgers. BBQ Fritos. Roughly, they were discontinued around 2018. I'm in Pensacola, Florida. I used to have to go to Jackson, Mississippi, or way past Tallahassee to find these things. But they got discontinued. So, apparently, as of March of this year, Dollar General, from what I understand now, if you want to correct me if I'm wrong, go ahead or screw you, has an exclusive deal with Fritos barbecue. Whoever puts them out nowadays, I don't know. They're all intertwined with PepsiCo, Frito, Kraft. They're all intertwined. But yeah, we're going to see if they taste the same. Thanks to my buddy, vvtheduckvv, Duckman Cycles and VW Garage, or formerly known as Glenn. I don't get the formally part, but okay. He found me some of these. I've been wanting some for as long as he's known me. And he found me some at Dollar General. That's right, people. And we're going to give them a taste test. Bag feels like it weighs about the same. Pretty damn good, I should say, if y'all didn't figure that out by now. Thank you, Glenn. Let me give everybody a little one-on-one little advice. If you're going to do a food review video of any kind on YouTube, cover your damn mouth up and chew with your mouth closed. Don't be like this. Ready? Cover your mouth up. Nobody wants to see that shit. Anyways, it's pretty damn good. Alright. I better stop eating these things before I get fat. Too late. Anyways, people. Pretty good food review. I have not found something they've quit making for several years. I think it's been like 3-4 years off the market, maybe longer, as they dissipated and stores got rid of them. But this is the best review I've made or had, or something I've tried that they've brought back that was actually as good as it was the first time I've had it. That didn't even work with X's. Yeah! Thanks for watching. Thanks, Glenn. If y'all ain't subscribed to Glenn over at vvtheduckvv or Duckman Cycles and VW Garage, I'm not dropping no links. Take your lazy ass up to the search bar, search it, and go find him. Oh. Is that good? Is that good? Is that good? Is that good? Another one? Is it good? It's also baby approved, gentlemen and ladies and everybody in between. Blow kisses. Blow kisses. You want more. If anybody had asked, she's got a full mouth of teeth. Mind your own business. Yeah! Say, yeah! Are they good? Are they good? Are they good? No, give them to Daddy. No, yeah, they're that good, ain't they? Do another one? Is that good? Say bye-bye. All right, we're good. No more today.